Hi YouTube. Today I want to do a really quick video on DIY. So just to show you how to do some mixing. Let's have a quick vape and then I'll get into the video. So DIY is really straightforward actually, especially now. When I started doing DIY, it was a little bit more complicated. You had to find the flavors that you like, blend them correctly, and then mix it all up. Now there's millions of calculators that you can use online. I use Make My Vape. It's just really simple, or there's other apps that you can use. But in terms of making it, this is a quick video on how to make. Essentially, what is it? It's 500 ml for, I don't know how much it's going to cost. Let's just work it out really quickly. So 500 ml, and that's going to cost us. So I got mine, which is a Flavor Boss bottle shot. Really, really simple. And let me just see how much I paid for it. Apologies. You can buy a litre for £26, or you can buy, where are we? £14.49 plus shipping. So £14.49 I paid for this. This is half a litre of pharmaceutical grade nicotine. Now you will not be able to buy this post 19th of May, but you can still purchase it at the moment. And then EP grade vegetable glycerin. So this is a litre, and this was about £2. So really, really simple. That's all of the stuff that you need, over and above a syringe, some paper towels, and just keeping careful. So with this, you don't even need to use a calculator at all for it. So I like max VG, so I won't be using the directions that it tells you, but on the bottle it tells you, if you can read that, it tells you how to mix it if you want certain ratios and certain nicotine strengths. So if we have 72 milligram nicotine, or 7.2% strength nicotine, we need 20.83 milliliters of nicotine to make it 3 milligram, and 41.67 milliliters to make it 6 milligram. I'm going to make it 3 milligram, and it recommends a 4-week steep time. But as you can see, it looks like you've got a rubber steel, because you just get this. But this is a PG concentrate. Then all you need to do, take your bottle, they're all sealed on the top. Here's one I made earlier, by the way. So this is a strawberry milk flavour. Pop off your plastic seal. And this is a Dinner Lady. I believe this is like a Dinner Lady lemon tart clone. Pop off the top. Take our nicotine. You will be able to buy this in the 10 milliliter bottles in the future. Just like to put the light on so I can actually see. But I needed 20, didn't I? 20.83, so call it 20. Who's counting? So there's 10. Boom. 1. And there's another 10 and a bit. Just be careful you don't get this on your hands. Wash up in a minute. Cap off the nicotine, because that is good practice. I like to keep it safe in a nice plastic Ziploc bag. So that's now nicotined. And then if you wanted to add some PG, you absolutely could. So if you wanted it a 70-30 PG blend, you'd want to add 51.67 ml of PG. As it is, I'm not, so I'm just going to go full VG. And that's why you want to have a tissue on standby, because it gets spilled. And there we go, nearly there. That'll do. Part my VG. It's gone all over the place. Never mind. Close the bottle up. There we go, there's a full bottle. Now you'll probably notice that because they have different specific gravities, the liquids, they don't mix straight away very easily. So you're going to have your VG sort of sitting at the top. But this requires, as it says, no mechanical mixing. Just a good shake. And then 4 weeks steep. So what I'll do is I will come back to you in about 4 weeks and show you what it looks like. And I'll give you my opinions on the taste. There we go. Now you've got the liquid fairly evenly distributed. It will change colour, so it'll probably go darker over time. And then the final thing to do, pop a quick label on it. So 15th of the 5th. Done. Right, and now that's ready to be steeped for 4 weeks. Go up on the shelf. Chubs are good. So we've got Lunch Lady's lemon tart. It's, as I said, it's obviously a clone, but yeah, let's hope that that's good. Looking forward to that. But as I said, really, really straightforward, really simple. There's no need to be afraid of DIY. And in terms of the way to get around any TPD regulations or anything like that, it seems to be the way forward. People are making it so much easier for you to do DIY nowadays, just purely because, you know, they realise that people, you know, previously might have been a bit nervous of doing it, but it's so straightforward and simple that anyone can do it. If I can do it, then anyone else can do it. And honestly, I would say that 99% of the juice that I vape these days is DIY. And I didn't think that that would be the case when I first started mixing a year or so ago. But as I've said in previous videos, I'll probably get through 10 to 15 ml a day. And, you know, by spending 15 to 18 pounds for a 30 ml bottle, you know, I mean, that's not that much cheaper than smoking. So yeah, thanks very much for your time, guys. Hope you enjoyed this. I hope you found it useful, and I will see you again on the next one. Cheers.